There's a new BlackBerry in town, and it's one of the most affordable ones that the company has made. Welcome to new BlackBerry Key 2 LE. The Key 2 LE looks and feels a lot like the serious business-oriented Key 2, both sharing a 4.5-inch screen with the signature BlackBerry physical QWERTY keyboard below the display, but the LE is just a bit lighter and a bit more fun. It comes in 3 different colors: champagne, atomic and slate, with the atomic one being probably the one that catches the eye the most, with strong red accents on the side and around the keyboard. Interestingly, the Key 2 LE is made of plastic, a material that we almost forgot even exists in the past couple of years. Admittedly, the plastic on the Key 2 LE has a rubbery, patterned finish on the back and doesn't feel downright cheap, while on the sides it is styled to look like brushed metal, but the phone still doesn't quite have the same solid feel as modern metal or glass phones. Using plastic comes with a few practical advantages though. Plastic is lighter and the Key 2 LE is noticeably lighter than the regular Key 2, and it allows signal to pass through easier, so you get better reception. The chip inside the BlackBerry Key 2 LE is the Snapdragon 636, coupled with 4 GB of RAM. It's a bit slower than the Snapdragon 660 found in the Key 2, but still it didn't feel underpowered in our experience with the device. There are 2 storage versions available, a 32GB one and a 64GB model that will be the one sold in the United States. And yes, you still get a microSD card slot and a headphone jack that many people will appreciate. Despite its less strict appearance, the Key 2 LE still means serious business, and it comes equipped with typical BlackBerry security features. You have an onboard scan tool that allows you to see any potential virus threats, and you have a private locker for files and apps. You also get the dual apps feature, so you can run 2 instances of the same app if you run 2 separate accounts, for example. For all else, this is all very close to the stock Android Oreo experience. Our favorite features about this new BlackBerry, however, have got to be the extremely useful physical keyboard and something that the company calls a convenience key. The keyboard doesn't support gestures like the Key 2 and is some 10% smaller, but the keys still feel fairly sized and it's a joy to type on. You don't get gesture support, but you can still set every single key to be a shortcut to an app, something that power users will appreciate. And the fingerprint scanner? It's here, cleverly embedded in the spacebar button. On the right side of the phone, right below the textured power key, you find the convenience key. It's another button that you can easily reconfigure to launch your favorite app, and we found it very useful. By default, it's set to launch the Google Assistant with 1 click. A double click initiates Google Lens, while holding the key starts the Google Assistant in walkie-talkie mode. On the back you have a dual camera system, but this time around the second lens is not a tele one like on the Key 2, but a 5-megapixel shooter that captures depth information, so you can still have portrait mode shots. BlackBerry has long wanted to make a more affordable phone, and it now finally has it with the Key 2 LE. Priced at $450, it costs 2 Benjamins less than the flagship Key 2. The Key 2 LE will go on sale by the end of September in most BlackBerry markets, and it is coming to the US as well. Plans are to launch this with some US carriers, but there are no specifics just yet. All in all, the Key 2 LE is still unmistakably a BlackBerry, and that's what the company wanted. But will people look at a $450 plastic phone with a keyboard in 2018? And how will this BlackBerry compete with the OnePluses, Honors and Xiaomis of this world? That's an open question, and one that BlackBerry will soon have to face. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed watching it, subscribe to our channel for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.